Grant, what's his name?
Jeffy.
Jeffy?
Yeah.
You like him?
Yeah, my name is Jeffy. I like Jeffy.
You like Jeffy?
You want to climb up there?
Yeah. What is this thing? He's gonna get on your finger.
He's Jeffy.
He's Jeffy.
Yeah, he's really Jeffy. Hey! He can't talk.
He can't talk?
No.
What would he say if he could talk?
I don't know.
You want to give him a kiss?
No, he's going to talk in just 1 second.
What do you think he'll say?
I don't know. I don't know.
Look at me. Look at you. Are you smiling?
Yeah.
That's nice of you. Where's your worm friend?
Right here.
Oh. And what's his name again? I don't remember. Look at me.
Jeffy.
Jeffy?
Yeah.
Is he a good boy or bad boy?
Good boy.
What color is he?
Orange and black.
Orange and black.
Orange and black.
How many legs does he have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you get on your arm?
No, he can't get on my arm. Can you get on your arm?
No.
You blow him a kissy. Oh, let me see you do that. Give Jeffy a kissy. Very nice.
Now you're done. Where's Jeffy going?
I don't know. Where do you think he's going?
Wait, let me get on this road. You can't go up there.
He's probably going to your bedroom.
I don't let him.
Why not? I thought you liked him.